Who are you talking about your dada? You talking about mama? Well, can I hear about dada? Mom, yeah, mom, and dada. Right? Dada. Dada? Dada, that's right. Are we waiting on Dada to come back? Yeah? Mama and Dada. Kind of a big day to say mama and dada all at the same time, isn't it? Huh, smart boy? Malcolm, I love you. I love you, babies. I love you. Handsome boy. Ah, who's the handsome boy? Yeah. Mama, da.